Navigating long-distance relationships. Long-distance relationships can be difficult to navigate, but with the right amount of commitment, communication, and understanding, they can be just as successful as any other relationship. In order to make a long-distance relationship work, both parties must be willing to commit to making it work. This includes making time for each other, setting expectations, and understanding the boundaries of the relationship. Communication is key in any relationship, but it is especially important in a long-distance relationship. It is important to keep the lines of communication open and to make sure that both parties are on the same page about their expectations. Trust is also essential in a long-distance relationship. Without trust, it is impossible to build a strong relationship. It is important to trust each other and to be honest and open with each other. Finally, it is important to make time for each other. This can be done through video calls, phone calls, and other forms of communication. It is also important to make sure that both parties are making time for each other and that they are not neglecting their relationship. Navigating a long-distance relationship can be difficult, but with the right amount of commitment, communication, understanding, trust, and making time for each other, it can be just as successful as any other relationship.